So now, finally, I can see in very close the cows in Switzerland. This is the cow in Switzerland. It's so huge. Ooh, very big. They look like very healthy. They're resting. Oh my gosh, she's urinating. Oh my, so much urinate. Nangihi siya bayot. Karaghan ka sa ihi. So this is a mama. This is a mama di ay. Very much milk. See that? So all the milk that you drink, it's from her. From this mama cow. Ay, nako. Very silent kayo sila. Nagpahulay in town sila. Kaya gikapoy po sa tindog dito sa gawas oy. Grabe po dilahang life. Chill ra kayo. Ang kadingkod lang dihaan. Nakita. Napod sila dari. Grabe in anak di ay. Anak di sila no. Mag-ingkod ra sila magkaon. Sige rag kaon. Chill lang mo diha ha.